Wangari Maathai was a Kenyan environmental and political activist who made history through her work. Born in a rural village in 1940, she was one of the few girls in her community to attend school. She went on to study in the United States and earned a PhD in biology, becoming the first woman in East and Central Africa to earn a doctorate. In the 1970s, Maathai became concerned about deforestation and the impact it was having on the environment and the people of Kenya. She founded the Greenbelt movement, which aimed to empower local communities, particularly women, to plant trees and protect the environment. The movement became a national and international success, and by the time of her death in 2011, over 50 million trees had been planted. Maathai was also an outspoken critic of corruption and authoritarianism in Kenya. She was imprisoned and beaten for her activism, but she continued to fight for democracy and human rights throughout her life. In 2004, she became the first African woman to receive the Nobel Peace Prize for her work in promoting sustainable development, democracy, and peace. Maathai's legacy continues to inspire people around the world. She showed that one person can make a difference, and that environmental and social justice are intertwined. Her life and work serve as a reminder of the power of grassroots movements and the importance of standing up for what is right.